In this video, I'll show you the settings where you can hide the stock quantity display on your WooCommerce product pages. Usually by default, WooCommerce shows the exact number of quantities in stock, as in this example, this product has 40 units in stock. So if you're looking to hide the inventory count, in this video I'll show you how to do that. At first, let's log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on WooCommerce, then select settings. Once settings load, at the very top, click on Products tab, and then select Inventory. At the very bottom of the page, look for the stock display format, click on drop down, and then select this option, Never Show Quantity Remaining in Stock, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your products page and try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the inventory count has been hidden, and this change will be reflected on the other product pages. Let's take a look at another product. Let's open this one. Yeah, as you can see, it's no longer visible. So as always, I hope you found this video useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.